This is Ken Lake with MAC's Technical Market Review for Thursday, January 12th. USDA crop report come out at noon, and there's really no need to go over the numbers. We can let the charts tell us how the report came out actually. I mean, we saw soybeans up 15, 20 after the report came out, and then now here toward the close we're up 25 cents. So we're about 5 minutes before the close, and as you can watch the ticks change here over on the right, you can see that we're getting a little stronger into the close. And when we have days like this, I like to add some standard deviation bands, which are the purple lines here and here. Anytime we get, and this is measuring 3 standard deviations from the underlying moving average in the formula, and all it's telling us is that this market's extending higher outside its normal ranges, and when we extend higher it's a sell signal, and extending lower into that band it's a buy signal. If you follow our recommendations over the previous weeks, you know that we've been proponents of sales when we were up in these areas, when we were seeing these sort of extensions. We're seeing the same thing here now. We don't see any reason to sit on our hands here and wait for additional higher numbers, even though that's possible. There are some customers out there that may need to catch up some sales here, and this is the day to do it. The other thing that's given us pause, or at least given us the idea that this market should be sold, is the fact that our momentum indicator that we follow here is now actually pegged itself out at the peak today, up around 100, and it doesn't get any more overbought than that. I will say this, that seasonally, as we go into the mid-February period and into the heart of the South American growing season, we certainly have the risk that crop gets in trouble down there, and this market does go higher, but nevertheless, from a hedging standpoint, the market today is giving us our sell signals that we need. Our Fibonacci retracement values, we've matched the 38% mark here as we're measuring from this low to this high, which means we don't have a whole lot of room to go higher until we complete the move. I know I have customers waiting again for this $10 cash or $10.35, $10.40 trade, and again, seasonally we could still certainly go up there and do that and even take it out, but it would have to be on a South American weather problem, which just hasn't developed into a tradable situation at this point.